First of all, there are no shoulds. This is whatever works for you. And we're always evolving and every day is different, right? We might be feeling super spacious to have a meditation practice and it might be the most chaotic day. So the key to meditating is consistency and being flexible and adaptable. So one day you might do a 45-minute meditation. One day you might run with mindfulness, moving meditation, where you're just aware and allowing your thoughts to come and go. Because that is the key of meditation, is to observe without judgment. And some days your meditation might look like taking a 1-minute mindful pause with your eyes closed and breathing. It all depends. But the thing is consistency, so that you are building your bank as you commit to a daily practice and having that grace with yourself that, oh no, I didn't do it that way. No, meditation is constantly coming back to the present moment and being okay with how your meditation looked like. Your whole life could be a meditation. So my personal sweet spot for meditation is 15 minutes in the morning. And that might mean waking up early or saying I'm going to start with 1 minute or 5 minutes, but it is if you can get to 15 minutes in the morning and you listen to the sound of an air conditioner. You can find a song that is literally just an air conditioner or listening to a fan, because you're just focusing on that sound and you're allowing your thoughts to come and go. And that's training the mind to not control your thoughts, but just allow it to come and go. And that helps quell the monkey mind. So 15 minutes in the morning, which will help with neuroplasticity, rewiring of your brain, so that every day you are reshaping your mind and clearing your mind. So have fun with that. And if you need more support, you can check my YouTube link below in the captions.